Hey everyone, this is Keenan from the product management team here to talk about our plans for 12.7 on portfolio management. I'll go ahead and share my screen so we can walk through the planning issue together. All right, so first off, we're going to continue to put design efforts towards showing milestones on the roadmap. Now, we've been working on this issue for a little bit now, and as we have looked to enable you to add multiple milestones to an issue, this problem's become a little more complicated. So we're really kind of bearing down to make sure we're able to provide the best solution for this on the roadmap. So as you can see, we've been working through a couple different design discussions over the last month, and we're settling on something that looks a little bit like this, where you have milestones at the top of your roadmap in a horizontal bar, where you can see multiple of them. You can see how they overlap. So for example, if you have a milestone that represents your sprint, but at the same time, someone else in your organization is leveraging a milestone that maps to the entire month. Those can both be represented in a timeline together, as well as being able to hover over it to get pertinent information, the dates that the milestone covers, the milestone's name, is it a group milestone, etc. So stay tuned, follow that issue. Please chime in with any thoughts or concerns or feedback. We'd love to hear it. And we're going to continue to push this through so we can provide it in the roadmap in the near future. Another one that we're looking to implement, actually roll out this next release, is confidential epics. So we already let you have confidential issues, and we've seen a lot of customers really enjoy being able to leverage private information at certain times. And now we're starting to have discussions with users, especially in the finance, security, HR areas, that need to be able to group these confidential issues into an epic and have that confidential as well, just so it's easier to organize, manage, and map over time. So not super complicated. They'll work exactly like current epics do, but with the added functionality that you can mark them as confidential. Again, thoughts, questions, concerns, please hop into that issue and go ahead and talk to us about it. The next one I'm really excited about, and anybody who has worked in project management or is looking to use GitLab to manage projects at scale is going to be excited about this as well. We are looking to enable you to start flagging the health status or risk, as many other tools call it, on your individual issues and have that aggregated up to a consumable metric on an epic. So you can see in this really quick mock-up that we have currently right now, you can actually see each item inside of the epic can be flagged as on track, needs attention, or at risk, which kind of bubbles up to the top of the epic as a red, yellow, green bar, kind of giving you a quick summary of how that epic is. Is it on track? Are there a lot of issues at risk that maybe I need to hop into conversations and ask questions and help get things back on the rail? And long term, we hope to be able to start aggregating this information up to higher levels at like the group, subgroup level, so we could build dashboards or reports for directors or executives who just would like a quick picture into how work is progressing in epics for areas that they really care about. So again, we're working through design and solution validation on this right now. If you have any thoughts or concerns, feedback, ideas, please hop in. We'd love to hear them, as always. And the last one that I'm personally really excited about, we've been talking about this internally for a while, and we are now going to bring some epic functionality down to the premium tier of GitLab. Let's go ahead and open this up. And we talked to a lot of users. We've through conferences and customer interviews and in person, and just understanding that there's a need to provide more planning functionality at the lower tiers. So we're going to go ahead and start moving towards adding single level group epics to premium, where you can actually create epics and attach issues just like you do in ultimate, but only at the group level, only a single layer, as a way to just slowly iterate into providing more of that functionality in different parts of the product for different users. So again, love to hear your feedback, your thoughts, your concerns. Go ahead and hop in there and really let us know what you think. And that is primarily what we're looking to do in 12.7. So as always, I've said it multiple times on this call. If you have any thoughts, concerns, you want to talk, you want to get on a call and let's talk through some of these ideas, please go ahead and ping me in GitLab directly, Kokeefe. And I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next month.